Hello pretty geeks, and welcome to what looks like it's going to be a really rad Cooper kit unboxing this quarter. Cooper kit is one of my favorite SEL slash STEAM kiddo unboxings that we've been doing. They have really awesome projects. I like doing them not only with my own kiddos but also with my kiddos that I work with at the school that I teach at, and they just make really neat products. So I'm really excited. This one is Music, a Sound Odyssey. This one feels a little bit lighter, but there's always a ton of stuff inside of these. And it says, "Help me, Earthlings, you are my only hope." So I am doubly hyped to see what's going on in here. They always focus on 5 different projects at least. There is an SEL, like, I don't want to say lesson, but like a different theme. So like grit or social emotional character development skill that can be kind of hard to talk about, like coming up with ways to apologize or stand up for yourself, or say that you admit like ways that you've done wrong and kind of show up for that person who you're meant to be. There's collectible medallions for each one of these themes, and then the theme is also around these different STEM or STEAM sort of things as well, which is also super rad. And those are all flight and machines and space, and this looks like we're looking at harmony. Oh, I wonder if we're looking at harmony between people as well as with music. So our rock tour includes good vibrations, scale your abilities, play the funky banjo, Earthlings. Bang those drums. These go to 11. Book your band. Unlock your creativity. Melodious munchies and rock the house. This looks so rad. You notice that our box is pretty much always used as part of the activity as well. So always save the box. So we've got, I'm knocking stuff down. We've got virtues, we've got values, and this month we've also got virtuosos. So we are doing some creativity as well. I love this. All right, so I'm gonna get our top open out here. I like the way that they do the cover. It kind of helps us keep everything in here. Once you've completed activities 1 through 5, come back here and write a song, and it kind of talks us through notation and songwriting. I am loving this. We are doing a like a world building course coming up in about 2 months, and I'm thinking that this is going to take our world building to another level. Y'all always know like what we're going to need next, I swear to goodness. Because a big part about what we talk about with world building is ambiance, and this is something that I feel like is going to really help us. So they talk about symbols and how to get those to kind of work in. So it looks like we're doing maybe building a pan flute and a banjo, possibly. Let's see. We've got pan flute, banjo, drums, some songwriting, feeling the rhythm. So it looks like we're going to be making some songs. Let's see what we've got going on here. Every month we get a proper activity guide. These aren't going to be like just little pieces of paper or pamphlets. They are little bound books. This is why I love these. As a teacher, I pay for these out of pocket really, really happily. Thankfully, the company's actually been working with us to help us keep our program going, because it's hard to keep them out of pocket. And I'm so grateful for this. So you'll love how these work together. So if you are a homeschool family too, I think you will absolutely love these, especially if you've got mixed age ranges. It tells you about that easiness range. So is it easy peasy? Is it medium rare difficulty? And about how much time each one of these activities will take. So This is good for a wide variety of ages. You know, they say it's for about ages 4 through 12, and I use it for about a K through 12 age grade range. Some of my bigs don't get into it quite as much, but I work in special ed. I work with a lot of 2E and a lot of 1E kiddos, and they all dive in. Some things need to be modified for my kiddos that have some higher support needs, and some things can be built onto for our kiddos that just want to keep diving into it, and it's a lot of fun. There's also recipes, because there are ways to build onto all of these things. Every time I start getting into the projects, I want to build onto them too. So not only are there activities, and all of your materials, we'll dive into that next, for these activities are built into here, but if you want to dive into it more, there are ways to do that as well, which I think you're going to really like. Plus the recipes. If you want to do more about this at home, or if your program has like a lunch or something like that, you can do that as well. So I like having some of those recipes to do that as well. And it's all in all really easy to understand, and they are made to be done with a grown-up or like an older helper with you. So they talk a lot about it being a homeschool kit. So it's originally actually started out as a dad kit, a way to get dad's hands on. And they started noticing, hey, this is like a lot of parents in general, but it's not just parents. It's uncles, it's grandparents, family, friends, and neighbors, and nannies, and teachers. Like, everybody is loving this. It is so fun. So stop gushing, keep going. All right, we've got our cosmic frequency finder. A handy dandy ruler. Ooh, that's why some of it was light. We have a mini milk jug, the banjo hole, cut it out. And notice this will actually tell us activity 3, page 7. So you're not guessing what materials are for what. Things are labeled. I love that. So activity 2, page 5. You can go back into it and know exactly what you need. So we've got some really beautiful boba straws to build our pan flute with. And is this clay? Looks like we've got some clay for it too. That's so fun. And I feel like there's usually enough for like 2 kiddos. Give your hair cosmic color. Oh, it looks like we got some hair chalk. And I believe you can actually add on for like if you've got two kids, you can add on another medallion so that they don't have to share. Yeah, so to backtrack just for a second, the kids can do some of these things unsupervised, of course, but these were designed to be done with their grown-ups. So some projects do require the skills, the input, the stories, the wisdom of an adult. They're made for that connection time and to kind of bridge some of those gaps, whether it's for like that physical support, but it might just be for that some of that social support too. All right, we've got some paper tape, some purple masking tape. Ooh, we got a little Bluetooth speaker, the alien amplifier. That is heckin' cool. We've got banjo boosters, activity 3, page 7. We've got a top your drum. So somebody wants to make a drum. Oh, are we making a whole drum set? Oh my stars. We've got our purple fruit. Oh, and that's right. Something they've started doing is including a book, like a storybook. So, how music came to the world, a Mexican graphic folktale. That is so heckin' cool. All right, so an easy tool to help you walk back to your place in the book. When we're all done, project 6 is a graphic novel. We got comic books, guys. Oh, that is so rad. I'm really digging this. So, I'll read a little bit from the book just to kind of wrap it up. We've got well over 6 hours of quality family time. Okay. It's all gender neutral. There is no specific language, anything like that. It's all creative, all self-expression. Let's go over our themed story for in here. All right, we've got our SOS message. I'm Nova Overdrive from the planet Helion 42, and I've traveled across space and time, avoiding a meteor storm in the 5th sector because I need your help. During a period of great harmony, the universe functioned in perfect sync and created a cosmic melody, a musica universalis, as all voices sang together as one. But as eras grew into eons, the universe lost its pitch and the balance faltered. Your mission? To realign the harmonies of this giant instrument called the universe. Ever dream about rocking out in front of 50,000 screaming fans? I've done it. How about playing to entire sold-out planets and touring the galaxy? Been there. Now it's your chance. And here's the good news. The unique song you create and perform is the final piece that will set things right and put the cosmos back in tune. It is you who will restore harmony to the universe. That's so exciting. So we're making a frequency finder, a pentatonic pan flute, a banjo. We have a lot of really great detailed instructions with pictures, lots of really well detailed pictures and explanations. Making a drum set. I love the speaker beat. It has different rhythms. It's really cool. And, oh, this one's good. It's got some activities. Yeah. If you want to know more, see more, I will leave a link down below. If there's a coupon available that I can find for y'all, I don't get commissioned or anything for them, but I will do my very best to find one for you. And I think that's it. I love y'all so much.